Greetings everyone, Maazị Ezeoke once more speaking to us. In line with the promise that I have made to keep on bringing us updates as it concerns the projects being done by government, both states and the federal government in the southeast, what you're looking at is the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. Today is the 12th of May 2020. You can see the white surface you're looking at on your right there is the road being done. You know, if you're heading back to Enugu, you can see that, you know, from the Okigwe section heading back to Enugu, you can see the ones they've done. The one that we are driving on is on the one that is good, and the one on your right hand is the one that they are currently working on. And the good part here is I can tell us that there is a genuine intention to do this road to last, because the white substance there is the white sand and cement that they've used in doing the first concrete there. Then eventually asphalt will come on top. One can only wish that previous governments have actually taken this level of seriousness in fixing this road. But I must comment that they appear to be too slow for my liking. But once more, Maazị Ezeoke speaking.